Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this human hair unit from Love Me Hair. This is a part of their summer undetectable lace collection, so if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this 5x5 human hair lace unit from Love Me Hair, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this unit comes pre-bleached with the knots already bleached, and it's pretty much a throw-on and go wig. In terms of me putting this on, it took me about like 5 minutes to get myself ready for the wig, like in terms of putting it on my head and styling it. There's not much styling to this unit, there's not much to it, so don't overthink it. It's very easy, throw on and go, right for the summer, especially with the length here. Now in terms of the combs, it has 3 combs at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and the adjustable band is also there as well. It does keep the wig quite secure, so as you all can tell, I've been pulling it and tugging it here and it's not moving, it's not making any shifts, so that's a good thing. So you don't need to put any glue or anything like that to lay this wig down. Now this is what the parting space looks like here. It is already pre-bleached. I didn't put any powder or anything like that to it, which is great. I love a unit that already comes pre-bleached and ready to go. That's definitely a feature that I love about this unit. That's what I love so much about this unit right here. I was quite excited about that. So this is what it will look like, untouched, just the way you got it. I didn't put any like lace tint or anything like that to the parting space or anything, so it's definitely looking pretty good. The bleaching, they did that on point. Now this is what the box looks like. So once you receive your unit, it will be in a box just like this. I have done an unboxing on my reels, Instagram reels and my TikTok reels, so you can definitely go ahead and check those out over there. It has cute little goodies in here, and of course a nice little mirror for your purse. Very cute, I love that. So definitely purchase from Love Me Hair because you will have a very nice unboxing experience. So I do love that, and of course purple, one of my favorite colors, so definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of presentation. As far as with this unit, as you all know, you can bleach, dye, perm, whatever you'd like with this unit. This is a human hair unit, so the possibilities are endless. And of course, I love how the length of this unit is not super long. It has this nice blunt cut to it, and it's like this all the way around. So let me show you what the back of the wig looks like. So this is what the back of the wig looks like here. It's looking quite nice, and I do love the curl pattern. So all you need is a little bit of water, some mousse, and you're good to go. Like, you can just definitely rock this unit, and once you put that water to it and that mousse to it, you definitely have that nice curl pattern. As you can see here, it's so pretty. I do love that a lot. This wig is so beautiful. I can't get over it. Now, as far as you purchasing this unit, I will leave a link down in the description box down below. I do have a coupon code for 20% off, so that code is KYR20. That's KYR20 for 20% off your purchase. Once you go onto that website, whether you buy this wig or not, you can save 20% off your purchase. I would give this wig a 10 out of 10. If you're like me, and also if you're like a beginner, very easy. You don't have to worry about bleaching the lace or anything like that, especially if school is coming up for some of you next month. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig for school, this will be perfect, and it will stay on your head. I know with sports and things like that, I wish I had wigs like this going to high school. I mean, where have you been all my life? You know what I'm saying? But if you're a high schooler and you play a lot of sports as well, it shouldn't be a problem, because I'm yanking on it here and it's not going anywhere. So you can definitely glue this if you would like on top of that, but you don't need to. So definitely check out this wig. Links will be down below, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And thank you so much, Love Me Hair, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.